Hi there and welcome back to my channel. I am Shreyashi. Well, I'm shooting this video for the second time because I lost the clip the first time. Anyway, so in today's video I'm doing an Amazon haul and today I'm going to show you some gym wear fits. As you might know, I have become very regular in the gym these days. So gym के कपड़ों की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ रही है आजकल. So that's why I'm doing these gym wear hauls quite often. And so I bought some tops, I bought some bottoms, leggings and those kind of things. So I thought let's show all of them to you. So yeah, let's get started with the haul. The first thing that I bought is the top that I'm wearing right now. This is the perfect gym top. It's from Puma and the fit is very nice. Black color के gym tops मुझे बहुत पसंद है. It's like versatile. एक तो होना ही चाहिए ऐसा black color का top. So that's why buying a black top for gym is a no-brainer. The sleeve length is also perfect. The neck is also perfect. Like it's not deep at all. I like these kind of, neck for gym wear tops, and plus the material is also very nice, very comfortable. This was well within the budget. It was not too expensive, so I thought let's buy this one. When trying it on, I felt that it also made me look a little slimmer, so that was another added bonus. That is actually an added bonus with every black colored top, so that is something that I loved about this one. Yeah, so that was about product number one. Let's move on to the next one. दूसरी चीज़ जो मैंने ली है, that is my absolute favorite in this haul. It is this bottom wear. So ये एक leggings है. This is how it is. Yes, the reason I loved this one so much is because it's flared at the bottom. Like it's not too flared, but it's not, that typical sticky legging kind of thing. It's different and मैंने ऐसा पहले try नहीं किया था. This is the first time I'm trying something like this, something that is, a little flared at the bottom. And मुझे ऐसा realize हुआ पहन के कि this looks much better than the regular leggings that I wear. मेरे body type पे बहुत अच्छे से suit होता था and that's why I loved it so much. Plus, it's like very comfortable. Material बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही अच्छा material है. It's not too thin, it's not too thick. It has pockets over here on both sides. It's also high-waisted, but it's not too high-waisted. It's like perfect. And waist पे भी it's not too tight, which is something that I liked about it. When I wore it, it's very comfortable. And yeah, what else? Yeah, this is from the brand Rock Paper Scissors and size है इसका medium. It says made in India and that is again something that I loved about it. Made in India and it's so well made. Like absolutely loved it. So if you're looking for a nice bottom wear leggings for your gym, then definitely try this one. You will love it. Yeah, so that was about product number two. Let's move on to the third one. The third thing that I bought is a gym top again. This time it's white. So it's a simple white colored tee for your gym and the material is very, very soft. Like it's so light and soft. I love this part about this top. And ये brand है शायद इसका Bold Fit and but इस पे कुछ भी branding नहीं है. Oh, in fact, this does not even have a tag. So I don't know how this has come, but anyway, we'll see to that later. But यहाँ पे just lift लिखा हुआ है. And apart from that, it's a very nice top. So black and white and these kind of colors are, very versatile and it goes with a lot of different colors of, leggings. And that's why ये दो colors आप रख सकते हो for your gym. And you can have, multiple of these so that लोगों को पता भी नहीं चलेगा that whether you are repeating your fit or whether you are not repeating it. Just kidding. Or maybe not. Anyway, so that was about this top. If you're looking for a nice, comfortable, white colored gym top, simple, elegant, sober, not revealing, nothing extraordinary, simple but very nice and chic, then you can go ahead with this one. Moving on to the next one. The next one is again a top, but it is different. This is how it looks. So this is a halter neck gym wear top, and if you are not into these kind of tops and if you're into these kind of tops, then you can go with this one. This was very nice. Like I did not have any specific issue when I tried it on. Typical gym top, material is nice. fitting was good, although it was a bit loose for me. This is size medium and थोड़ा सा loose था, तो हो सकता है कि एक size down करके अगर लोगे तो शायद better आएगा. And apart from that, it's a very simple top, nothing much to talk about it. It just has this logo. This is again from the brand Bold Fit. And पीछे में ये logo है. And यहाँ पे side में cut है. So that is everything that I have for you about this top. And yeah, so if you're looking to buy these kind of tops for your gym, then you can go ahead and buy this one. Moving on to the last product of this haul, and that is again a legging. This is how it is. इसको शायद देख के आपको पता चल गया होगा कि ये कौन से ब्रांड का है. If not, let me tell you that this is from Bliss Club. Bliss Club के sportswear बहुत ही popular हैं. And I see so many influencers literally wearing this. So इसके typical colors हैं, कोई पहन के आता है तो देख के पता चल जाता है that it's from Bliss Club. So I also wanted to try it. मैंने पहले इसकी leggings try नहीं की थी, so that's why I bought it. My first impressions are that it's nice, it's pretty good. Material काफ़ी अच्छा है, like it's very premium material and पहन के बहुत अच्छी feeling आती है. It has pockets on the sides. दोनों साइड में पॉकेट है. As you can see, the material is quite thick. Like पॉकेट वाला भी जो मटेरियल है वो भी एकदम थिक है, थोड़ा सा वेलवेटिश कुछ है. पीछे में they have this typical logo of Bliss Club. And यहाँ पे भी छोटा सा एक पॉकेट है आगे में, like yeah, so you can put in some coins or something. But literally, who puts anything in their gym pants? I don't know. Maybe keys or something. But again, you can't work out with anything in your pocket, I feel. But that's my personal opinion. हो सकता है कि कुछ लोग जो बाहर जाते हैं जिम करने के लिए, मेरे लिए मेरे सोसाइटी में जिम है, so I don't need to carry a lot of things. But कुछ लोग हो सकता है अकेले जाते हैं और बाहर जाते हैं, दूर जाते हैं, तो उनको कुछ कुछ रखना पड़ता होगा. So उनके लिए it's quite convenient, quite efficient. And this one is a typical legging. Like it's not flared at the bottom. ये वो proper leggings जैसा ही है. So yeah, if you are looking for a typical nice legging for your gym wear, then you can try this one. इसका if I'm not wrong, इसका same color में they have sports bra as well. So you can buy that as well and you can make it a set and it will look very cool. So yeah, that was about this one. So that brings us to an end of this haul. I hope you like the products. And अगर आपको इस haul में से कुछ भी पसंद आया हो, then you can check out the links in the description section and वहाँ से आप खरीद सकते हो. And yeah, so on that note, I will end this one here and I'll see you again very very soon in my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.